Hello, I hope you're all well. I am working with Jem to bring you this gorgeous recipe. These are cheese and thyme scones. Really delicious. I've got one here with some cream cheese and some smoked salmon. A really gorgeous treat and a lovely variation on the sweet version. I am using the Jem self-raising flour in this recipe. So let's get started. Starting off with the Jem self-raising flour, I'm sieving that into a large bowl with a pinch of salt. Mix that well and add in your butter. Use your fingertips to mix that well for a couple of minutes until it looks just like this. Then you add your grated cheese and your fresh herbs, and using a fork or a spoon, combine that well. Crack an egg into the buttermilk and mix that with a fork. Create a hole in the center of the dry ingredients and add half of that wet mixture in. Use your hand to roughly get that together before adding the rest of the buttermilk and combining that into a ball just like this. Onto a floured surface, cut out your scone shapes, have your oven preheated, brush them with a little melted butter or egg and into your oven until they're fully cooked. This is how they look when they come out. Absolutely delicious. I like to cover mine with a tea towel until they're fully cool, and a serving suggestion is to serve these with some Philadelphia and some smoked salmon. Really delicious. Be sure to give it a go. So there you go, really easy to make, a lovely alternative to the sweet scones, great for lunch boxes, snacks on the go. Be sure to pick up your Jem self-raising flour the next time you're in your local supermarket. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to tag a friend and I will talk to you all soon.